Hi friends, it's Mrs. Bauman with Mr. Bauman today, and we are going to read super fan favorite at the Bauman house, a Mo Willems book, There is a Bird on Your Head. You're going to love it. It's so fun. Okay, enjoy. It's kind of a long book, but you'll love it. Illustrator. Oh, author and illustrator, Mo Willems. All right. Piggy and Elephant are just sitting, and we've got a special visitor.
Peggy! Is something on my head?
Yes. There is a bird on your head.
There's a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now?
No. Now there are two birds on your head.
What are two birds doing on my head?
They're in love.
The birds on my head are in love?
They're lovebirds.
Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds?
Because they're making a nest.
Wait a minute. Two birds are making a nest on my head?
That's what it looks like.
Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head?
One, two, three. You have 3 eggs on your head.
I do not want 3 eggs on my head.
Then I have some good news.
The eggs are gone?
The eggs are hatching.
Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching?
Cheep, cheep. They have hatched.
Now, I have 3 baby chicks on my head?
And 2 birds and a nest.
I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head.
Where do you want them?
Somewhere else!
Why not just ask them to go somewhere else?
Ask them?
Ask them.
Okay. I'm gonna try asking. Excuse me. Birds? Will you please go somewhere else?
No problem.
It worked!
Bye.
Now, there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Aww. Thanks for reading that story with me,
My
Mr.
pleasure.
Bauman.
My pleasure.
It's super fun. So that's something you guys could do at home. Find a favorite book, partner read it with a brother, sister, mom, or dad. Maybe find someone as equally awesome as Mr. Bauman to do all the voices.
Set the bar pretty low.
But you can also, we had a rock outside that we painted, and this one looks like, which one, piggy or elephant?
I'm gonna go Piggy.
Piggy! So you can make a rock that looks like Piggy, and you could equally do one for elephant, and you would just need to put on those glasses that elephant has, a little blue nose, gray, anything. You could use household paint, nail polish even, markers, crayons.
A little craft time.
A little craft time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So then you could do, Piggy, there's a nest on your head.
Should we give credit to
The elephant.
cheeping, chirping birds?
We do need to give credit. We had special birds in our house.
Chirpers.
Lily, Betsy, and Annie, who were our nest baby chicks. 3 chicks on the head. We had 3 chicks in our house, so we let them read along. Have a great day.